This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss about service catalog in ServiceNow. Let me share my screen. So first of all, what is service catalog? We'll see one definition, and let me open my notepad. So service catalog contains collection of products that can be ordered. Kind of like an IT service catalog functions similar to a restaurant menu. So we need to order. We have a collection of products that can be able to order in ServiceNow. So let me go into ServiceNow catalog. What are the products we can see over there? And I have a requirement. Then we can see this requirement on service catalog. Let me show quickly. Like this is once you type this service catalog. This in the self service we have a service catalog. When you click on this service catalog, we'll see all the products which are to be ordered to help the customers or users. So once you open the catalog, right? So these are all the services, right? Categories. In this service catalog, we have a categories. These are all the categories. So one, you can click any one. I'm clicking the software. So see, when you click on the software, it is showing like access. We want to request something, the product. So it may be software or kind of Acrobat, and we can able to order like Adobe Acrobat Pro, Adobe Creative Cloud. All these things softwares we need to order. And let me go back to this service catalog again. We have a services in this. These are services that can able to provide for the users. They add and remove users from the group, and corporate mobile devices, bulk orders, and new email account, big data analysis, and right. And we have different installation of software, request for backup and server tuning. And go back to again service catalog, we see different things like desktops. We can see the desktops we can order by selecting this. It is not there. Let me open another catalog. uh, in the catalog we have categories, right? So I'm opening with the peripherals. In this peripherals we can see like a built-in iPad mini case, wireless keyboard mouse. All these are the wireless keyboard mouse, standard 27 monitor, and let me click on this standard 24 monitor. So it is giving right the description, the type of the monitor with pixels, and the description and the features of this monitor. And we have a button called as order now. When you click on this, it is order. Like let me click on this order now, and the price is given $292.28, right? So when you click on this, what happens? See, we will get a request number. This request number. So REQ 001 This is REQ number, right? And we have a stages, like price, quantity, and total, and delivery date. So when you click on this request number, one second, let me click on this request number. It is going to the request page. We have this request number requested for at system admin, and the price is this one, right? And it has opened this date, opened by approval, request date. We have different approvals like approved, close complete, close incomplete, close cancelled, close rejected, and close skipped. These and all the request, uh, and for this request we will get the RITM. This RITM, this is RITM. It have all the details like RITM number, the item request, requested for, due date, and open system admin and status fulfillment. So it will be open in RITM. And the table name of this RITM is SC underscore REQ underscore item, request item, like requested item. The table name is this one, SC underscore REQ underscore item is the table name for this RITM. And go back, and for this request we have a table called as SC underscore REQES request, SC underscore request is the table name. And these are the tables which related to this request and RITM. So this is the table name for SC underscore request, and for RITM we have a table name. When you click on this, it shows SC underscore REQ underscore item, right? And this is the flow of one catalog item. Let me go back to this again. Let me open this again. In the same way, we have different categories in service catalog. When you open the service catalog, it shows all the details. Like we'll discuss all these things, right? Like we have a request, items, task, and and then in this we have different types of like maintain items, and all these are comes under service catalog. So when you open this service catalog, we see these are the categories inside the service catalog. And once you click on any mobiles over here, this is the mobile Apple iPhone 3. So this is the image, and this is the icon, and this is the description, and this is short description. This is the description. This one. So when you click on this mobile, it shows the format like this. In the same way, we'll design one other mobile with same features, like same kind of thing. So for demonstration, we use the same syntax, and we'll do a new demonstration for this other mobile requirement. So let me start without wasting our time. So in the same way, I'm designing a requirement with Samsung mobile. So let me go into our, let me open this or stay here only this one. See, I have a requirement with the same details kind of things, but the features are different, and the table names and columns all are same, but the mobile device name is different. So I say that service catalog contains a collection of products that can be able to order. So in this, when you go for any restaurant menu, we have different like catalog, right? Once you see the catalog, only we can order the some items in the restaurant. All right. In the same way, we have different items. These are the items, or we can order like products. These we can say that products we can order. And then we have an option called as order now. So we'll see one requirement based on this. So let me start uh, this one, right? Let me close this. So for this service catalog, we need to create in the same way. So I'm trying to create the new catalog item, like based on this the same features, like different features. The description is different, and the same I'm providing. So how to create this one in the catalog, service catalog. We see this service catalog go down. Here we see here we see maintain items, right? We can see we can click on this. It opens in a new tab. Click on this. Otherwise, if you know the name directly, we can able to create type here maintain items. So select from there catalog definitions. Otherwise, you can type maintain items. We see maintain items. We see there is a service catalog. Under that, we have a catalog definitions. We see maintain items. Click on this. It opens in a new tab. So both are same. Both are same. When you click on this here, let me open this. So when you type the maintain item is same, as well as you can remove this. When you click on the service catalog, so when you go down here, we have a maintain items. You see there is a maintain items here, right? So when you click on this also, it goes to the same page. So it comes under catalog definition. So remember this one, service catalog. We have a catalog definitions and also maintain items. So open this maintain items. So when you open this, we will see all the catalog items here. So I want to create a new catalog item. We have a button called as new button over here. Click on this. When you click on this, we need to provide the name of the catalog item. So here we can type any name as per my requirement. I want to give Samsung Galaxy S24, the name of the S24, right? So when you have given this name, right, and we have a catalogs, just unlock this catalog. So I said that in the service catalog we have different catalogs. When you click on this catalog items, we see the lookup using list. Here we are selecting service catalog because when you open this service catalog, right, so on this survey you need to select the service catalog here. Service catalog, service catalog, we need to select this service catalog. So select the service catalog, and we see there are two other things. Mostly we use this service catalog only, human resource catalog and technical catalog. We used to select this service catalog, select on this and lock it again, and we have a categories. So when you open this, these are all categories in this service catalog. So on which category you want to create the this item, so select this. I want to create the this item in mobiles. So when you click on this button, so open the category. See there is a lot of things that can be able to see here. So we have seen that desktops, printers, peripherals, and we have services, office, all those we can able to see here, right? So services, hardware, software, desktops, these and all we can say that categories. So I want to create the this Samsung Galaxy S4 S24 under this category. We have a mobiles, right? So I want to create the mobile, where we can find here mobile. Here otherwise It is 1 to 20, right? You can select with type here mobiles. So select this mobiles. That's it. And once you save it, once you save it, the Samsung Galaxy S24 will be created in this mobiles. Let me open this. This we can refresh as of now. Go to our mobiles here. See, all mobiles are there. We have created Samsung Galaxy S24. Right? Click on this. This is the page. The catalog item has been created under mobiles. This is the page, right? The name of the catalog item is Samsung Galaxy S24 and category is mobiles. The catalog is service catalog. Under that category is mobile. So this has been created Samsung Galaxy S24. So this is the page we will get once you have created. And go down here. We have in the item details we have a short description and description. And we have a tabs process engine and picture, pricing, portals, all those things are there. Once go to your item details, I want to give the short description for this one. The short description is request for Samsung Galaxy. You can give this one. And so once you save it, or you can try, we have a button called as try. So once you click on this try button, so the request or short description will be appear here, right? And the next one, go back here, and we have a description over there. So I want to give the description for this Samsung Galaxy S24. So the description, I have prepared something from the Google. So these are the features I want to give for this. Something I took from the uh, online. So you can copy and paste here. So these are the, we have a button to expand this full screen. You can see here, right? So in the same way we can create, just make it as bold. We have a bold button. You can use italic, underline. You can improve, you can improve the size. You can change the size also. You can select this, make it as 10 points, and this make it as heading, maybe 14 points. Like this we can able to, the font size we can able to create. Select this anything, Helvetica. I'm selecting this font size as Helvetica. It looks like this. And we have a colors also. You can give the colors for this. For this I'm giving color as, select the color and make it as red. And for this I can give the colors with this color. And for the Samsung you can give other color, that is yellow something. So this description we can like alignment, left alignment, center, and aligned right also we can do. We can do the bullets list and all. And after that we can make it as this, click on this button, it will be minimized. For this it should we can take the green, it looks good. After this save it, or we can try it once. It looks like this. Before this description I want to add the image. The image is like this. Let me open this as catalog, service catalog. See here, when you click on this mobiles, right, say there is a image. So this image I want to create. I have downloaded my into my system. Have this, you can refresh, it shows the entire thing. Just now we have changed, right? The same way, just to go back here, select with Samsung S24, this one, and come to this picture tab. We have picture tab over here. See, we have a picture. To add picture, click on this button. We can choose a button, choose file where it has been located in our local system. Select this any. I have downloaded the image from here from Google. Let me open, and it supports JPG, PNG, BMP, GIF, JPG, IC1, SVG. These are the separate files for this images. Click on this OK button. When you click on this OK button, it shows the image like this, right? So this icon, when you click on this icon, we need to add the icon. The icon, it supports JPG, PNG, BMP, GIF, JPG, ICO, and SVG. So as of now, I don't have this image. When you click on this icon in this mobiles right here, the icon shows like this. The icon, this one. So as of now, I don't have this icon image, so I'm leaving it. So once you uploaded this picture, and once you can try over here, it looks like this, right? So request for Samsung Galaxy. This is the short description. This is called as a description, right? And go back again, and once you save it again. Now for this mobile, I want to give the price. Here it shows the price, right? Yes, $7.99, something called as $999. So for this image, I want to provide the pricing. We have a tab called as pricing over here. Click on this price. The we can provide with the price dollars, euros, something. Right? We have different currency symbols, and we're looking for only dollar. You can give the dollar. The prices I have mentioned 695 price. You can give any price as per your requirement. 6695 dot double zero. We have a recurring price. As of now, I'm not giving any recurring price. Recurring price frequency will be changing like daily, weekly, every 2 weeks. This may be like floating kind of thing. Every monthly, every 2 months, quarterly, semi, annually. So when you change this, it will be automatically changes as per weekly, and so I'm not giving this recurring price. So we have uploaded like image and price, and picture we have added, and the process item details we have added here, and, let me save this, and we'll see the next. Again, once you can try this. So we have added the price $695. It has been added over here, right? So I have converted this the price of this Samsung Galaxy rupees into dollars, so it was around 695 approximately. So the price can be able to see here, right? Again, go back. I'm showing the one by one steps how to add these all kind of things, and so once you save it, uh, this is completed. item details, content, process engine. We have workflows. We can create the videos later. As of now, this is not needed. First, let me see these videos on these catalog items. And picture we have created. Pricing we have given. Portal settings as of now are not required. And when you go down here, here we have a variables. So variables are nothing but a kind of questionnaires. We can call this column names, right? We can ask the questions: what type of mobile color we want, what type of color or price kind of things. We can say I'll show you the requirement we have. So the requirement is this is the first step. Up to this is completed. Second step is this is kind of is the is this a replacement for a lost or broken Samsung? We want to provide yes or no condition. This is kind of we can say that this is a questionnaire, or we can set column name, or simple we can say that question. So asking question and providing with that the the components, the objects which are there for this, what if you want to select or not select kind of things, we can use this. So what I'm doing the same way they have created for this Samsung Galaxy, for this mobiles, right? Says I want to create the same thing. So now refresh this one. So this is a old page. Will get like this, and go back to our main this catalog item. So we have a variable sets over here. When you click on this variable as a new button, you'll see all these variables, variable sets, catalog UI policy, catalog client strips available for, not available for, categories. So category is nothing but this category is comes under mobile, so it has given the categories. And catalog nothing but this is service catalog, where we have selected catalog, service catalog. And the categories, this is the mobiles, right? So it is showing mobiles only categories. And data lookup definitions, related articles are not necessary. And first we create a variable here, like when you select this tab, click on the new button, click on the new button. When you click on the new button, it shows a variable, a record, the record, new record, right? The application is global, map to field, type, catalog item, order. So we have active, mandatory, read-only, and hidden. So I said that variable is kind of questionnaire. We want to ask the questions, or we can consider it as a column names in the tables. The same way we have a questions. So we need to ask the questions. So first I want to ask the question, and the question name is this replacement for lost or broken Samsung? Just to copy, I'm copying this. Here we can paste. When you click on the right side, it displays the automatically this underscore with the name, this question. And so after giving a question and name, see here we have a type, right? See what type of variable you want to create, the type of the variable. We have catalog item is this one, right? So the type of the variables we have these things. So I want to create for this as a radio button, a yes or no kind of things. So here in this the old one here, when you click on this iPhone 13, there is we see that radio buttons. For this, what option type of the variable we need to choose? So we have a uh, for radio buttons, or we can choose this multiple choice. This is multiple choice. You can select, and order we can give the 100. And after this, and for this multiple choice, we have given an annotation is. I'll show you this annotation. And default value, auto populate, permission, availability. And once you save it, So how this looks like, we'll see in the catalog page. Just refresh this page again. Still it is saving. It is saved. Refresh again. Save it. Again open once again service catalog. I'm closing this and I'm closing this. This is the Apple thing. You can click on the mobiles and go down. We have a Samsung Galaxy S24. Right. So this is the question. It has been created. For this question, I want to add the buttons. So here in this question, for this the table is item underscore option new is the table name, and we have a question choices. So in this question choices, I want to give the questions. Let's me click on this new button. So here we have a questions. I want to put yes and no, two conditions. Sorry, yes is yes, value yes, and save it. Again go back. I want to create with a no value. We got yes, right? So I want to create with a no value here. So here we have option directly. We can go here. Just right click, configure item. We have click on this configure item. Go down. I want to create one more choice, like here configure variables. We can see here just configure variables. Let me go back again. Here S has been created, and the variables you can give here for this multiple choice. uh, I want to create one more variable called as uh, no. Here you can question choices you can create with no. So here we have option called as we can create here also with no. Otherwise we can click on new button no, and this is also no. Save it. And we have a button called as save. We can save here directly. And for this you can give the order for order uh, 200. Save this. Here you can save a button. Otherwise we can click the button new over here. Right here both are saved. And let me save this form, and let me refresh this again. We got right. Is this replacement for a lost or broken Samsung? We got yes or no, two radio buttons, right? And for this we need to we can provide the default value or type of specifications. As of now not required, right? And this is the first requirement is completed. The second one, right, this is completed. Is this replacement lost or broken? I want to add the none option here. Go here again. Now this one like yes or no is completed, and we'll see if yes, it is asking for the what is the original phone number. If it is no, it is disabling. So if yes, I want to create with what was the original phone number. So here it is not none. So I want to create one more thing here, like this for this text. What is the original number I want to create? So let me go into this. So the same we have opened this Samsung Galaxy, right? So and go to your configure item, and before that I want to show one more thing here. When you click on this iPhone, right? So go back, click on this anything. Mm, it is not showing. Let me say you can. I'll show here only and go back here our page, our Samsung S24. Let me go into catalog item. Here we see uh, and let me, this is completed, and the next requirement I'll show this this what is the original number right now. Let me create with the monthly data allowance. I'll show you this. When you select the yes button, what happens. The next one is monthly data allowance. Let me create a monthly data allowance so I want to create this monthly data allowance. Click on the variables here. So so here the next one is I want to add the monthly data allowance. This is the drop down kind of things, so we can use this as here there is a type of the variable is this one select box. We can select the order is 200. For this we can give, and the question we can give the question. We can copy the monthly data allowance. You can I'm pasting here directly. So click on right side this one. So it takes the name of the question directly, the backend name. The tables we see this is the u underscore monthly data. In the catalog items we don't see u underscore, and annotations. See here when you click on this show help, right? When you click on this, we need to add the always expanded, like it shows. Let me first to close this one, and so for this we need to add the two variables values like 500 MB and unlimited. Here we can add the once you save this. Let me refresh this uh, our Samsung this S24. See, we see that there is a monthly data allowance. The order is 100, we have given for this, we have given 200. Now in this monthly data allowance, I want to add the values. So what are the values we need to add? I have given the requirement like 500 MB and unlimited. For 500 MB, we need to add $1 and unlimited $4. For this, go here or this, create the question choices, click here, or we can here write the values I'm giving here only, or we can give click on this button. We need to add the price as well. So add the price as $1 and the value is 500 GB, and this is also 500 GB. Let me save this and refresh this page. So the one value will be added over here. Let me refresh this. See, we got 500 GB of data. The same way I want to add this unlimited data with $4 and 4. So go here again, go back. Here we can give configure variables. Sorry, configure item. Configure item. We see there is go down here. We have selected monthly data allowance. Click on the select box. This type of the question, the type variable, and need to add one more variable, unlimited. So go down here, add one more variable here, add one more variable with $4 and give the unlimited. Here also unlimited. Just save it. Save it, and our page we can refresh. We see there is 500 GB and unlimited $3. What we have given, I have given 4 or 3 $4. Let me go over choices once. Let's see. We see we got add $3. We subtract and adding. So dollar is getting minus unlimited. So in the same way, like I want to include with the none option over here at our at configure item. So for the select box, I want to add include none option. Here we can see there is include none option. We can save it. Let me refresh this. I got none, right? So $1 is uh, 500 GB with $1 and unlimited. We have given $4, but it is taking as minus. This way we can see this unlimited and 500 GB dollars. So this is completed, and I'll show you if you selected the yes box, this X radio button. See what happens. I'll create for this. So we have a UI policies, right? So go to your. I have created video on UI policies. Select the YouTube. Here there is, we see the video which is I have created in this channel, the UA policy. We can select, go through this video. Here playlist. Here I have created UA policy. Go through this video if you don't know about this UA policies, and this video I have created with UA policy. In the same way, we have a UA policy in this catalog catalog items. Just go back here. Next, here I want to create in between the one more the box this question. So how we can able to create? First we'll create this label. We want to configure with the UA policy. So create with the first create with this box. What is the original number? The variable we need to create with the uh, text box. See, for this number we have given the order is 100 and this is 200. So in between that we need to create one more order, the variable this one, right? What is the original number? So what we have to do is, so go to your here, right? Create a new variable. Just refresh this one, the old one. So here we need to create with one more variable. The variable, let me open this variable. The variable name is, I want to select with the single line text. So only I want to enter that number only. So select this single line text, this one, and order you can give 150 in between that, and give the question. The question name is this one. What is the original number? You can give this question name here, question mark, and right click it. Automatically takes this the name. So once you save it, it appears in between the two things. Just when you refresh this, it's still saving. See, we got right. So This for this we have given order 100 and this we have given 200. In between that I want to get the order is that is 100. 100 is my sorry 150 is my this order number. So I want to enter this uh, original number. If you want select this no button, I want to hide this original number, and if you want to select this, I want to hide this original number. So this is the requirement. If selected yes, then show the original number. Otherwise, we don't want to show the original number. So what we have to do is, so if you select the no, it has to be hide, right? So what we have to do is go to your configure item page. Here there is we see a catalog UI policy. So when you click on this, it opens in a catalog UI policy page. Click on this, click on the new button. Here there is we see the catalog UI policy. I already shown that video here UI policy. You can see that we have a different options over there, right? When you open, let me show this also. Here a system UI, we see there is a system UI. See, in that we have a UI policy. Click on this, click on the new button. There is we see some other options here, like we have a global unload, reverse if false and inherit. But in this catalog UI policy, only we see on-road and reverse if false. So this is difference, and these are the other differences. Applies on a catalog item view, applies on catalog tasks, applies on requested items, right? So this is the difference between catalog UI policy and UA policy, and we can give the short description. This is for uh, what we have given. This is for original number you can give, and we need to choose the catalog condition. So we need to select what is the this is the question, right? Oh, sorry. If you want to select this, yes, I want to show, right? So what we have to do is we have to select this. Uh, yes, right. Both is replacement type. Yes, here is we can select with no, so that it can able to hide. So if this is no, I want to hide. So save this once. Once you save it, here we can see the catalog UI policy actions. Click on this. So I want to hide visible. If it is no, I want to hide. So say visible false, and we can use a mandatory also as requirement. Just save it once. And we can refresh this page. We'll see how we will get. Still reloading. Visible. If it is no, it has false. Okay, open this again. Refresh this. it is yes, it has to show. If it is no, till loading. Let me open this. Let me save this once again. We need to select the variable name. This one. Save this. Let me refresh. See, it has been gone. So when you click on this button, it has to show this. And if you click on this no, it is not visible. So when you select the user select this option, it has to show, right? And this is completed. This is requirement, and this is also completed. I want to choose the color. So for this color, we can use like radio buttons. Like here we go and see here, right? So catalog items, service catalog. Here we see there is for mobiles. There is kind of thing. Choose a color. So same like we can create a radio button, right? Radio button kind of things we can create. So go back here, configure item. Configure item, and I want to create one more variable. So go back, open this. Here I want to create configure item. I want to create one more thing. Go down, create a new variable. This variables. Here I can create a new variable, that is choose the color. The same way I can create choose the color, create a new variable. Choose the color, and if there is anything, choose the color. The color names are cobalt, violet, and onyx black. Give that, save this first. And once you save this, there is uh, question choices. Here we can provide the question choices. Save this. Sorry, we need to select the radio button called as, that is multiple choices. Then once you save it, you can see that the options which are there down over here. Click on the choice buttons, question choices, and click on the new button. This you can provide the colors. The color name is this one, cobalt, violet. Here we can paste, and here we can paste, and click on the save button, and you can click on the insert and stay. So at a time we can create two items. Here we do one more black, the next blacks. We can create here over here. Just remove this and paste the comma. Then save it. So we have created two question choices with this multiple choice. Go back. The variable with multiple choice, and this is the choose the color. Let me refresh this our page. This way policy you can close this one, and our mobile is this one, right? See, we got this choose the color, but I want to get the down here after monthly data allowance. I want to display this choose the color. So for this monthly data allowance we have given the order is 200. I think we can give the 300 for this one. The order is 300 so that it will come down. Refresh this. It is still stable, saving the page. See, we got here choose the color cobalt violet and onyx black. We have two colors, and the next one is you can select anyone. The next last option is this choose the storage. So here we can give one more box, the choose the color. Right here we do one more create with a new item, the variable. Go down, go back and create a new variable with choose the storage. And choose the I can go back here, like select this. Here we can go with the configure items. We came into a catalog item page where we need to create one more variable called as create with the new variable with the variable name is this one. Choose the storage. I want to select and paste here the question. No question is not needed. Okay, then create a save it, save this, and we'll get the below we'll get questions, right? Choices. Here we need to select the uh, multiple choice here. Then so you can save. It will show below the question choices. It's still saving. Let me create with the new. Here I have given for 128 GB, 256, and 512 GB. We need to give the 128 GB here. The first option 128 GB and 128 GB, and here I don't have a price. For 256 GB I have $100, so go here and first save this one. We have option insert and stay. Just click on this. At the same time I want to create the other things like 256 GB and 256 GB, and there is a price for this one, $100. You can add here $100 and insert and stay. You can add one more the variable, this value 512 GB $300. This one 512 GB 512 GB and $300. So let me save, and once you refresh this page, we'll see how it looks. So this we got top right. We need to give the order. We can give the order as 400. Go back, configure item, go down. We see the option called as uh, choose the storage. For this, you can give the order as 400. Save, save this. Refresh this page. It goes down right here. Choose the storage. So in this way, 128 GB, 512 GB. We can select this, adding and this one right. 128 GB, 512 GB, and for this I want to create with not this in top to down. There is, we see if there is any option how many created, so we can delete this one here, delete this one, and for this give the order. This is for 200. The same order is there, so 200. And there is option, you can see there is a type specification. There is option called as choice direction. When you go this is going down right, and let me choose this down across this, so it will comes under in the horizontal way. I'm saving this and let me run again. Let me refresh this page. See, there is across right, there is an option called as across. It shows in the horizontal way. Here when you select this as a down, it shows in a down. So we can select this across, so it shows in horizontal. So in this way we can create the catalog item. Mm, See, when you select this 500 GB, the value is changing, the price is changing. When you select this unlimited, the price is changing, right? And like this we can add the price for this. When you select this, the price is changing. You can click on the order button, it will create a new request. From there it will create RITM, the first in the starting I said you, right? So in this way we can create a catalog item of our own custom catalog item. Let me let me refresh this again. Reload. Go to your the page. Here, here we see one more things. We can see that there is an catalog item, there is a default option. There we can provide with a default option, and for each and every thing, variables kind of things like what is it for select box, this one multiple choice. Click on the multiple choice. There is where we see a default value. What we want to see, we can provide the default value, and I want to show this show help, right? This one for each and every variable we can see there is a show help. So before that is refresh this one. For this is replacement, right? What is the question? This one is this replacement or lost? For this you can click on the show help. For more information we can click on the always expand over there. Let me see this. This is for uh, lost or broken. It will type here. What is where is that? Lost or broken Samsung, right? Go over here, annotations. Let me save this and let me refresh our page. We'll see what kind of see. When you click on this, right? So it shows more information about this here, right? You can minimize here. So what is the option? Show help, always expand. You can view for this file text. Samsung S24. Refresh. The same way for each and every thing, we can give the this show help button. Can configure over there. Remaining things we have completed. Variables. Let me go back to our variables. There is catalog item. Go to catalog item. We have completed multiple choice. Multiple choice is kind of radio button, and the next one is single line text. Text for text only. Can give any text. And one more thing is select box, kind of can you box, can say uh, drop down, select choice, and anything is there. Multiple line, single line text, multiple choice. So only we have completed three variables, right? And Other things we'll see in the next video as of now. And this one we'll see not available for categories, available for and variable sets. Mm, we'll create a next series later, but for these variables we have one more we have other things also we'll do in the next video. As of now we have completed three variable types, and we have different variable types over here, we'll see later. And so after this you can when you created this catalog page the item, and we can click on the order. It shows the first starting. I used to say that it requests an item and our item will be generated. So for that we need to create, like, again we have a process engine, we would have workflow. We can create a workflow in the editor, then we can the flow is, it's kind of a step-by-step approval for that item. I will do this later, this video later. So as of now it has been completed. So I'm stopping here. Please uh, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, so I'll create a more videos. You'll get the notification whenever I've created. If you subscribe this channel, you'll get notifications. Thanks for watching. I'm ending my this session.